How to fix your laptop cursor is moving on its own. So if your cursor is randomly moving, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your start menu, search for control panel and click on this window here. Now in the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow and select large icons. Now click on mouse from the list of options and click on pointer options. Now uncheck the option next to enhance pointer precision. Make sure this slider here is set to the middle and also uncheck hide pointer while typing and then press apply and OK. Now if that's not working, open up your start menu, search for device manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to human interface devices and you should be able to see the touchpad from here. Now go in, right click on this and press update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now select the HID compliant touchpad and go and press next. Once the driver's been updated, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, it's likely due to dust or debris that's kind of got stuck in the touchpad on your laptop. So what I'd recommend doing is grabbing something like a cloth or basically anything you can go and clean around the edges of the touchpad and just make sure nothing's getting stuck and you don't have any dirt or grime that's stuck on the touchpad. Now once you've done this, that should have fixed the issue where your mouse cursor is moving automatically.